Where's the commander?
Well, guys, we are back yet again with another video.
You really want to say
several
that?
times to try and make a video, but every time I die from these
I told you shouldn't say that.
But luckily, this time I came out on top.
Helicopter,
I am
get inside.
built different. But yeah, it's a game about capturing points and terrorists and people. Stop the terrorists. I'm a bit slow, so I don't know what they're called. The insurgents. No, that's the terrorists. Security, which are the other people. I guess the military, something like that. I guess special forces. So
Wonderful.
yeah, that's what game we're playing today. I hope you like it. If you really do enjoy, hit that like and subscribe button. And don't forget to comment down below what game you can play next.
Connor, why are you so calm? There's explosions everywhere.
Because I'm gonna die soon. Oh, okay, I'm alive. I'm dead. So as
Well,
you
yeah,
can
there's
see,
mortars.
I died, but luckily I will respawn. Yeah. I'm gonna respawn once I capture the point if they can capture it. If these elbozos don't stop. Oh. Oh, I remember how I just died. You killed a teammate!
I did not actually. Oh my god, I just got quickscoped by a sniper.
Imagine dying.
What is with these snipers?
Yeah, I can say, no, in this game, the snipers just have you
Okay, their reflexes are just that fast. They apparently, I guess.
So, yeah. But luckily, we are about to spawn in 1 minute. So, before that, a win launch from today's sponsor! Challenge for 20, a great YouTuber. Go subscribe to him.
What the hell are you talking about?
Yeah, not really a sponsor, but just my friend. Normally with Links VT.
How is this guy
I'm gonna
alive?
put his channel down in the description below. So make sure to subscribe to him. He's an amazing YouTuber, I think. Yeah. I wouldn't really subscribe to him, but if you wanna subscribe to a weird person.
Holy shit.
Yeah. But we do videos a lot together. We do a lot of.
No way.
Plays, so.
He just killed our
If you
teammate.
want to see more team action, definitely go subscribe to his channel.
Kuz just killed our teammate. Like, looked at him and shot him.
Oh. Well, but yeah.
And he's the only one
15
left.
seconds, can he win? Nobody knows. He's just kind of sitting there, but that's a good strategy so he doesn't die. 6 seconds, guys.
Bad time to reload.
Alright, and we're back. Maybe not.
No, we're not. They're still on the point.
He's about to die. Okay, maybe not.
How did he hit that?
No idea.
You gotta move, bro.
Bro, come on. This is not good. Come on.
Once he clears it.
Don't
Come on,
reload.
here. Of course.
There
Oh,
we go.
yes.
And round of
Damn,
two.
alright.
So
We didn't even do anything.
We joined this match a bit late, but yeah. So next match, here we go.
The only 2 ones deployed.
All right, guys, and we are back. This is the second match. So, in this time I don't know. Wait, were we terrorists last time? No, we weren't. I mean, we were.
We
So last
were.
time we were terrorists. Now we are the security.
I don't like night ops either. I need my beauty sleep.
Shut the fuck up, please.
Yeah. Hey, no swears. This is a family-friendly channel, I think. Not really sure when there's bloody murder, but.
Oh, I'm lagging.
Yeah, someone's having connection issues.
Yeah. Oh, it disappeared for a second. Alright, we're good.
I'm gonna blame Hong. But yeah,
Like,
second
it's
match.
Chinese.
Here we go. We are a organized team. We are not gonna die. See, organized right there.
Alright.
And as you can see, I'm a very, very organized person. As I'm not about
Alright,
to
get
die.
over here.
I swear I'm not about to die. See, guys, I am not.
Alright,
dying.
get your ass over here.
Ow, I'm dying. Retreat back. So you can see I am falling back because my observer has requested me.
You mean you're a commander?
Yeah, you know what I meant.
Oh shit!
You put it on us. Oh! I'm back. Alright, guys. We are going back in.
God damn, that was intense. Where are you? Oh, there you are. My 2 observers.
Like a prone for this one.
Alright, let's do what we did last time. Clear the outside. Don't walk in front, don't walk. Dude.
Oh, I thought there was more open.
In there, there's one in there.
Okay, clear. Clear.
Upstairs.
Yeah. What the? Man. Back to that quick death.
That's a suicide bomber, I think.
Yes, there are suicide bombers here.
It ran away. Yes, I called it an it. It doesn't have a... It's objectified.
Wow.
It doesn't have rights, you know?
Dang. Really?
That I breached and I hit you. I don't. Apparently that does damage.
Yeah.
Apparently I did it 4 times.
If I die, I'm fully blaming you.
Oh damn. You dead?
Nope, I'm alive. The teammate just shot me.
You're alive, right?
Yes, I just said that.
Okay. Oh, I see you. I'm up here with you.
Okay. So yeah, working on this capture point now.
What about when the characters say it?
Oh, that's.
Do you
easy.
restart then?
No, I haven't restarted yet. I didn't mean restart. I meant like cutting out my deaths. Just not my deaths, like the waiting time between each death. So it's not like
Oh,
a
mortars! Come
3-hour
on,
long
they're shooting
video.
mortars. They're
Okay.
shooting mortars. How many do they have? Because I only have 3, and they fired at us like twice already. So this should be the last one.
Maybe. Well, AIs do tend to cheat a lot, so maybe they have infinite. Just like how they
Wait,
have
what kind of
infinite.
mortars?
I think that sounds like chemical.
It's smoke mortars.
Oh, snow, we're good.
Yeah, we're all good. Aw, connection problems are back.
Yep. If you haven't already, hit that like button. Not much else to say right now. If you want to see us play more of this game, comment down below if you do. If you have any other games in mind, let us know, and we'll see if we can play them or not. So, yeah.
Drone.
Drones.
Alright. Just focusing right now.
Oh my god, we lost a couple of guys.
Don't forget
They're
about
coming from
fire
behind us.
support. You got fire support. Don't forget about that, man. Come on. Calling a gunner.
Fire
or something like
support's-
that.
Yeah, fire sport's not gonna help us right now. That's not gas, Connor. That's just smoke and fire.
Oh, still. I did not even put that on. Wait, what button is B? Right. I was trying to hit space to jump over the railings.
That was close. That was really close. Oh my god. I think they're behind us. Yo, what was that?
Ammo right here,
Where's the ammo?
right by me.
Okay, I'm coming to you. Wait for me.
You don't have that much time, man.
Where are you? You
I'm right
behind me?
behind you.
Alright. Which objective is this? Second? No, third to last. I'm gonna wait
Yeah,
till
it's just
calling
destroy
call
cap
choppers in
mission.
on the last one. Or last two, I mean.
Yeah, we have to destroy it so we can wait a bit.
Guys, they're throwing. Alright, let's go.
Alright, I'm lost over here.
I went out a window. Yeah, there you
Same,
are.
right behind you. Yeah, so make my
Here,
way
wait up.
down.
Here, wanna call something in?
Sure. What?
I'm gonna call in machine gun.
Alright, it's inside, so we'll see how that works.
Yeah, but once we take it, they're gonna be coming out from outside. Alright. Let's go top. Let's go top.
This is
Let's
the
go.
one that's like inside and outside.
I know, I'm going up top.
Alright, I'll be up there too. What's this? Just emptiness.
See, now it's defending us.
Alright. We're upstairs.
Holy crap! It just killed all those things over there.
Things?
Terrorists aren't people.
Wow. Listen, don't upset them. They'll come after us.
They're already coming after us.
I meant in real life.
And not if we kill them all. Oh my god, that connection problems are really bad now.
I'm not really having any. Oh, never mind. I just want to have them now. Oh god. Every time it's until I get to you, I feel.
Our teammate just threw a grenade on me.
She got system.
That was an RPG. Trying to get over here. I'm gonna call in the chopper.
Yeah, okay. Right here.
Oh, where's the
Go.
reload? Where's the reloads?
It's in the building, I think.
I see it.
I actually need to reload as well. Alright, go in.
Here goes nothing. Okay, I'm lagging really bad. Whose connection is this?
No.
Someone in our server has a really bad connection. Holy crap, this is bad.
Okay, guys, this is not going good right now.
They're firing mortars.
Okay. Smoke mortars.
Yeah, mortars are coming in. It's...
They're not smoke rifle. Actually, no, they are smoke.
Oh, they're smoke mortars. They're adding explosives. Oh, the connection's back.
Where are they?
Oh, they're behind me. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah. It wasn't me, but okay.
Oh, I thought it was.
No.
I'm gonna thank you for that anyway.
I was a distraction, I guess. Heading up to you, watch out.
Moving up here to defend this.
That was bad. Oh, that wasn't bad. We went through that hole right there.
It's on Foxtrot. They're on it. They're somewhere on the point. Where is he?
Oopsie doopsie. Well, I got someone with the grenade I half missed.
Yeah, that's right. Oh shit.
Right there, I just saw one of them.
Where?
Right beneath you.
Hmm. Okay.
Oh, no, I think we just got them.
Good.
Good.
Oh, they can't really do anything, can they?
I haven't really seen anybody personally.
Oh my.
Man,
Suicide bomb went off. We lost the guy.
did we lose?
I think it was the sniper.
Okay.
Either that or the machine gunner. It was someone with a big gun. Oh, those connection issues are
dead.
back.
Don't
Oh,
know
you're
what
dead?
happened, but I'm assuming it was either a grenade or something like that.
Yeah, I didn't throw any though, so it couldn't have been me.
Okay, oh, and that's a victory, guys.
Dang, it was easy.
Alright, see you in the next one.
Damn.
Back.
Yakum!
Fully. So, we're in some, I forgot what the map was called already, but we are the security again. Trying to stop them, their terrorists. So this is a destroy mission. So we have to destroy an objective. Oh, look at us. This guy was just blocking me, almost died.
Oops.
Wow. I was attacked. Alright, I'm gonna put the bomb, guys. This bomb has an absolutely massive explosion radius, so I am gonna run away super far. Run away all the way over here. Probably still gonna die. No, just watch. Did I die? Nope, I did die. Never mind. But respawned anyways. And this is another destroy mission, so yeah, we're gonna destroy this one as well.
Yep.
Just gonna keep playing the missions, have fun, stop the terrorists.
I had to make a new loadout.
For which class?
For Commander, it's a second loadout for this map. No sight, more grenades. Oops.
got it,
I need to
so-
start doing some work.
Where? Okay, it's downstairs, so we're gonna head down here.
I wasn't even recording.
Oh, you wasn't? Or one. Oh, I'm dead.
Whoopsie.
I was blown to smithereens, guys. Well, I'll
Oh,
see
damn.
you when I'm back alive. We're back, we're back. We
Yeah, I added an
are
incendiary
back.
because, you know, incendiaries are good.
Yeah, they're super good. Actually, I'm gonna change my armor class so I can carry more armor.
Yeah, you get the PP cover.
There we go. Oh, wait, I can't afford that. Yeah, I can't afford that apparently, 'cause I don't have enough. No, wait, I don't know.
Oh
What
my
I
god,
am
he
now.
just said a racist. He said go fuck a donkey.
Wow.
The AI is crazy. Whew.
Don't know.
Someone just saved my life.
Whatever. I don't need extra grenades anyways. Or whatever. Got drum magazines, also good enough. That's when you got 5 of them. Yeah, 5.
Where's the machine gunner?
We're gonna be heading up here. Capture.
I'm out of
the
ammo.
point. You are. Like out.
Our rear is dead.
No, I'm
Bum,
in
bum,
here.
bum.
I'm coming with you. He's to our right.
He went on the elevator or down the stairs.
Chase him down!
Oh, that's you.
You fucking idiot.
Okay, he's gone. I don't know where he went. Coming back up.
Oh, he probably went back up here.
Most likely. Ooh. Oh, he's dead.
Who died?
You okay there,
Oh,
buddy?
he blew up.
You okay there?
What happened to the guy? What happened to the guy next to me? He's
That-
gone.
that
There's
was
only
that
a
guy.
pile. There's a pile of blood and he's gone.
Don't worry. Just nothing a good nice vest can't fix.
Ow. That really hurt.
That's what bullets do. They hurt. Alright, next point. Here we go.
Yeah, fuck you people. Where's the ammo?
I don't care about no ammo. I think I missed.
Well, I do. I need ammo.
I missed the grenade. I'm pretty sure. I did miss the grenade.
Connor, where's the ammo?
I don't know. I said.
Anyone know where the ammo is?
I don't see it.
Found it. It's upstairs.
Let me put up the bomb. Okay, thanks a lot.
Did you die?
Nope. Teammate kills me. This is why I don't like playing with teammates,
There's one up here.
even though we have to.
Connor, wait for me.
Where's the animal? I'm killing him. Nah, I'm not
Mind
going
waiting
to
for
you.
me?
I'm good. No, where
I'm
are
stuck
you?
right there. Went to get ammo. I was out.
The one right by us.
Yeah, after the subject, I needed health and ammo, and I needed it quickly. So I just had to stay back. Do you want me to call in the chopper?
Yeah.
Got it. Call the minigun, because, you know...
Yeah.
Actually, let's wait till we capture the point.
I'm
give us
gonna
more
do it right
time.
now, so we actually can capture it.
It's easy capturing the point. It's the counterattack they usually send.
Okay.
Cover my backside. Or I'll cover yours then, I guess. We've taken it, or no?
Yeah, we took it.
Oh, he's on the ground. Come on, that guy was prone at the end of the hallway.
No, he wasn't. I shot him.
No, I shot him actually. All right, calling it in.
Reloading. Reloading. Hallway. Where'd they go? They were just there. Nothing that little
They
frag
sent
grenade
smoke
can't
after
fix.
us.
Yeah, fine. There's a little incendiary in here. Helicopter inbound. Nice.
I'm reloading.
I need some more grenades. Some got an F1 frag.
Throwing a grenade down there.
What? Towards me? Oh, okay. You're right next to me. I'm just having tons of grenades.
Oof,
Oh,
you almost got melted.
yes, sir.
Cover me, cover me, cover me.
I'm heading back.
Alright.
In the smoke. Fall back, fall back.
I'm reloading.
I'm in ammo.
How is he still alive? Damn. He was like walking through fire and shit.
Right, let's fall back, fast.
It's just us. It's practically just us.
And 4 other guys, you're right. Just us missing and 4 other guys.
We don't need to fall back. We can keep going.
Yeah, I don't have to fall back. They're both different.
I'm reloading. Get back down here. It's a restricted area.
I know. Those are the suicide
Holy.
bomber, I swear. Let's
Oh yeah,
go.
baby.
I tried multing you, but I missed. Alright, see you in the next match. No. Alright, guys, if you want to know what my class was, just observe it. This is,
Connor,
this
get
is my
off of
loadout right here. If you want to have the same loadout.
Did you not? Did you take it or did you not?
I didn't take it, no.
Now we're good to go.
Crocodile Pants took it.
That bitch.
I can melee them.
You guys have mics? Specifically?
Yeah.
That's sweet.
Yes, sir.
I like to use comms a bit in this game if I can.
Well, I'm an observer.
Okay. Alright, let's capture first point here, guys.
Should I kill the commander?
No. Because he'll still be commander. Just a dead one.
They're calling bomber drones on us. Get inside or off the balcony.
What were you just shooting?
Literally nothing. I'll shoot you. I'll do it. 3.
What?
If you're still staying there, if you're by that doorway in 3 seconds, I'm killing you.
Oh, there it is.
3. Okay, you're lucky. Love you. Alright. Easy point.
Connection issues, I apologize in advance.
We all
Ah!
are.
He admits it.
He just
It's
joined.
him.
He literally just joined.
Yeah, he carried more connection
Much
with him.
behind the objective and on top of it.
Where did I go? Guys, I'm lost.
I'm gonna chuck a frag in there.
But
Guy on
okay.
your left.
Fuck me. Bad grenade.
Bad grenade. Oh shit.
Nice job.
Well done.
Oh,
Mason, we're not terrorists this time, Mason.
shit, wrong team.
They're on the roof.
Oh, that bounced back. Are you serious? Oopsie, oopsie. There was bounces back right there. I don't know
There's a shit ton upstairs. They are rocket barraging us.
how.
Fragging upstairs.
I don't know how to get upstairs on this map. Or this building.
Yalla!
Go the stairs on the outside.
They threw that back at me. That's dangerous.
Oh, the all stairs are on the outside.
They're getting smarter.
Oh,
Yeah, get in cover. Don't leave the building.
roger that.
I'm gonna put something on them just to thin them out so we don't have to waste so much time getting there.
Yeah, okay.
Out the backside. Yeah, if you want to make a run for it, one at a time. Between barrages, let's go.
Well, I missed the timing.
Holy connection, Batman. Yeah, I'm losing frames hard here.
Same.
Nah, you're good, you're good. I just shot a dude like 20 times and he didn't drop.
Yeah, I'm having that
Yeah,
right now.
we're all losing connection right now.
too.
Might be a server issue.
Grenade. Yeah, I can't kill anybody.
When in doubt, just throw a grenade out.
They're getting smarter, they're starting to dox us.
Oh, I'm dead. You
Server
killed
update.
me!
I threw a grenade.
Yeah, I told you I told you I was at the point.
No,
I
you
can't
didn't.
do
You
shit,
said,
Mike.
yeah, there. Just when in doubt, throw a grenade. So I threw a grenade.
Oh. You were in
Can't
doubt?
blame me.
You were in doubt?
Yes, I was in doubt.
Oh, so it's not when in doubt throw a grenade. It's when in doubt throw a grenade out.
And I put a grenade out. You know, it's what can I say?
Can't believe you would do this to me. My revenge will be
nightmare pushing
swift.
onto this
I
highway.
swear. Listen, my revenge will be so fast you won't even see it coming.
You boys get on up here and give me some love.
Mwah.
Server, I need you.
On my way.
Let's meet you up on the bridge.
Right behind you.
Okay, thanks. Sorry, I was looking at the wrong one.
Oh, sorry.
I cannot climb the bridge. There's so much lag.
Here, I'm right here.
Okay, get on the point, guys. Get on the point. You got friendlies down there. Careful what
so-
you're throwing.
This is where the commander should go.
Yeah.
This whole thing is messed up.
Get
Got
it.
a whole bunch of them near the back of this.
You almost landed that on our teammate. That'd be funny.
I almost did.
I've got a chopper coming in. Reference to green smoke. Okay, we need to get down there and help them.
Yep, got it.
Let the rockets land first.
Holy shit.
Moving in. Capturing.
Oh, hello.
Holy crap, internet's so bad.
Yeah.
Back again, there's a door.
Reload.
This guy's actually like really good.
Almost trying to get in.
Ah, it's a Negro.
Hey!
Drone.
I'm not black. I'm white.
Our commander's dead.
I've had a face reveal.
I'm at ammo.
Where are they?
Right there. Reloading.
Reloading.
Half of those guys out there I can't kill even though I'm hitting them.
Shit.
That, my friend, is called lag. A wonderful thing, if I must do say so myself. Oh, that's a teammate. See you.
You fucker.
Yeah. This is the last point.
Connor, you just killed him.
That no, it wasn't me.
It says Connor plays hit,
Shut up.
hit jab and then
No.
jab died.
Suicide bomb it. Everything's going bad. It's all going bad.
Oh my god. Behind us, behind us.
That's called a wall.
No, they're right there. On the back side of the building. I don't think Animal's having a hard time killing them. His aim is pretty bad.
Oh my god.
It's not the
lag.
I don't think it's the lag that's making Animal not be able to kill people, because he cannot hit a shot. Behind you.
I blame
Behind you, I told you.
Oh, that would have helped a bit earlier.
I said it when he was there.
You said behind you, then I instantly died.
I said behind you, and you kept shooting in the
Well,
direction
guys,
that you were
I
looking.
hope you enjoyed this video. We got 20 seconds left to see if we win this. Mallory is the only one left. Will he make it? No one knows. But for the last 14 seconds, hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe, like, or comment down below.
Behind you.
Don't forget to subscribe to my good friend LinksVT.
He's
or
out of ammo.
Jason.
No.
And then yeah, you lost. That's okay. Oh well, GG's.
Holy
See you in the next
shoot.
one. Peace.